slow by the flagpole. Dust on the hood, sun on chrome. Old VFW, hall doors wide open. Coffee in a paper cup, talking shop. Names on the windshields, years in the dancing scars. Your hands on the fender, like you know these dreams by heart. Hear that idle shake, feel that ground move. One more inch, baby, let it line up smooth. Tom, tom rolling, engine sing low. All eyes turn when the light hits gold. Chrome at the VFW. Chrome at the VFW. Shine it up, let it roll. Shine it up, let it roll. Where the old cars breathe and the young ones lean. 67 hardtop, red like trouble. Pearl paint under a layer of grit. Tail fins catching the August heat. You can see a whole life in a quarter panel split. A kid runs his fingers along the badge on the grill. Old man laughs, says, son, that one's built to last still. Hear that idle shake, feel that ground move. One more inch, baby, let it line up smooth. Tom, tom rolling, engine sing low. All eyes turn when the light hits gold. Chrome at the VFW. Chrome at the VFW. Shine it up, let it roll. Shine it up, let it roll. Where the old cars breathe and the young ones lean. Late sun on the hood, bent lid crying out. Tires bark once, then the whole place shouts. Tape it back, let the noise cut clean. One more lap around like a memory machine. Chrome at the VFW. Chrome at the VFW. Shine it up, let it roll. Shine it up, let it roll. Where the old cars breathe and the young ones lean. Pull out slow by the flagpole. Dust on the hood, sun on chrome. Friday night still glowing on the road back home. The flagpoles, sun on the hood. Old men on folding chairs, nodding like they should. White walls shine on a red flame sea. Patch on my chest and my boots. song beat. Open the door, that sweet vinyl grin. Chrome on a Chevy, rust on a Ford grin. Kids with the maps and the candy bag. Hand me a ticket with a fold-out flag. Hear those engines call one by one. Hard little